In today's fast-paced world, the pursuit of financial freedom has led many individuals to explore various passive income opportunities. Passive income refers to earnings derived from a rental property, limited partnership, or other enterprise which a person is not actively involved. In this video, we are sharing 5 passive income business models that actually work. Number 1. Real estate rental income. Real estate remains one of the most popular avenues for generating passive income. This model involves purchasing residential or commercial properties and renting them out to tenants. The key to success in this field lies in strategic property selection, ensuring that the property is located in a desirable area with a high demand. Number 2. Dividend stocks. Investing in dividend-paying stocks allows individuals to earn passive income through regular dividend payments. Companies that offer dividends typically have stable earnings and a history of profitability. Number 3. Peer-to-peer lending. Peer-to-peer lending platforms such as Lending Club and Prosper enable individuals to lend money directly to borrowers in exchange for interest payments. This model bypasses traditional banks and connects lenders with borrowers, often at competitive interest rates. Number 4. Affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing is a performance-based marketing strategy where individuals promote products or services and earn commissions on sales made through their referral links. This model is commonly utilized in blogs, websites, and social media platforms. Number 5. Create and sell digital products. The digital product market has expanded dramatically, encompassing ebooks, online courses, stock photography, and more. Creators can develop and sell these products on platforms such as Gumroad, Udemy, or personal websites. As the landscape of passive income continues to evolve, those who embrace innovation and leverage technology will find new opportunities to achieve their financial goals.